Hello friends, I hope you are all always perfectly alright. So today I'm gonna show you how iPhone is disabled. You can look here, iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes. So what's the process? This bypass this iPhone disable or fix this iPhone disable problem of all iPhone 6, 7, 8, iPhone X. So what's the process and how we can disable how we can fix this iPhone disable problem? So first of all, you must see these models. I have now this iPhone 6. So this phone's problem, iPhone is disabled. So looks models and download the IPSW firmware. I give you this IPSW firmware of my video description links. So I am already download this IPSW firmware. Now it's my laptop desktop folders, iPhone 4, 4.7, 1.4, restore IPSW. This is iPhone firmware for fix this iPhone disables problem iPhone. So at first, so let's this process. At first, phone connect to DFU modes. So how this phone's gone to DFU mode? So press power buttons, swipe these power icon buttons and wait for phone off, then quickly press power button and press home button. When display come, release power buttons and keep the hold home buttons. You can see iTunes mode, DFU modes, that means DFU modes is coming. Now connect it to PC and open 3U tools. 3U tools, you can see iDevice connected recovery modes. To exit recovery mode, please hold. Okay, exit recovery mode. If you click this exit recovery mode, phone will reboot and normally boot up. And we want to this phone flashing now. So we click this go flash tab and easy flash. Here you can see firmware, select firmware, what are you download before. I'm downloading this file and select this file. So flashing now startings. And so wait 10 to 15 minutes and most of things what you cable use, must use iPhone original or a good USB data cable, so you can not problems or any issue. So flashings. Yeah, now 6% gone. Extracting firmware now extracting, and most of things you must need this your laptop or computer C drive must be space on 10 to 15 GB, because this file first extract and then flashing firmware to iPhones with using these tools. So wait some time for extracting firmware, then flashing start. Now 60% gone, 80%, 90%. Now completely flashing started. Okay. So wait sometimes. You can flash any other process. Just connect your PC or laptop to internet, Wi-Fi, broadband, etc., and then click easy flash. Click easy flash, and here you can see 4 or 5 firmware version. Then which you download firmware, click import and select firmware. Then when verify complete, phone will automatically go on to starting flashings. So wait sometimes. It's taking to 10 to 15 minutes. So you cannot subscribe this my YouTube channel before, so please subscribe my YouTube channels for latest mobile solutions, mobile related solution, and touch with us and making your more own technology business. And please don't try at this home if you cannot know something. So don't waste your time of your homes. Now gone 27%, and phone imported maybe 500 or 1 GB firmware loaded, and need some time to wait. Now so now 80%. Now baseband is updating. You can see, I think 90% flash is complete. Yeah, congratulations, clean flash completed. Now flashing is fully completed. Now wait and see. iPhone is now opening and not showing iPhone is disabled. It's formatting now, and application will be installing of these phones stores. So please subscribe my YouTube channels and press bell icon for more solutions. Now apps installing completed. Oh yeah. can see this iPhone is completely turned on. Click on button, select language and select your country. My country is Bangladesh, and so this is that I am selecting Bangladesh. Quick start, set up manually. Next, and now need to connect Wi-Fi, any Wi-Fi network. Now connected to Wi-Fi. Press next and wait sometimes to connect this iPhone's security for these Apple servers. And here you can see it's need activation logs. That means Apple ID password, that means iCloud log. So if you have this phone owners, users Apple ID and password, so you can log in the ID password and skip these steps. And or you don't have these owners users phone Apple ID password, so you can unlock this iCloud log if this phone is clean. So you can unlock this iCloud log. Some servers, I suggest a server. Here you can unlock any Apple iPhones easily, and this server is trusted servers. It's for only GSM brothers. I suggest you. I'm using this server for last 2 or 3 years. So here you can see all iPhones supported iCloud unlock officially, and it takes 5 or 7 days, 5 or 7 business days. Okay. Carefully see this source unlocker.com. So I don't need this server iCloud unlock service because I have this phone owner user Apple ID password. So and I'm easily skip these steps. So I'm type this phone owner users Apple ID password, who is ID before use these phones. It's take to sometimes. Okay, wrongs. Try again. Oh friends, finally successfully skip these steps of this phone's owner user Apple ID and passwords helps. So press continue. Set up two letters. Net password. Type any 6-digit password. You choose any letters, any words. No problems. Now record password. FIRMWARE security to continue. Need verification for these phones. So I am here my numbers and verification. This code is term and condition. Yes, agree. Need to wait sometimes. Yes, finally comes menu. Continue. Start menu. Yes. And friends and all GSM brothers, so if you like this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for new update, exclusive, so upcoming solutions, and like this video if you think this video is helpful, and if you think this video is not helpful, so dislike this video, and comments also here, and share this video WhatsApp, email, Facebook, Vivat, etc. socials media. About this 16 GB iPhone 6